Hey everybody, welcome to Yote Off Trail. I'm Brian. Glad to have you along with me today. We're going to get out into the winter woods again, kind of do the usual winter woods MO, walk around, maybe stomp around in some creeks, see what we can find, and just take a look at the kind of the stark beauty of what it's like out here. Temps are in the high 20s, low 30s, not too bad considering the weather we've been having. It's nice, bright, beautiful sun out today, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to get out into this. We have had a ton of flooding, some pretty impressive flooding. I actually shot a video of some flooding that happened near where I work. I want to show that. I'm going to put that together and put that out here in a couple days. But I wanted to get into these creeks where this flooding has happened because that always washes up new things and you can find some cool stuff. And I wanted to get out now that the sun was out and take you guys along with me. So we'll get some dirt time today for sure. Maybe get some wet and muddy shoes as well. So you can see, pretty kind of a mucky, muddy mess right here. Now, a lot of it's kind of frozen. Some of it's not, so it's a little slippery. We'll have to be careful as we get over here. We're going to go over to this rock bank and check that out. First, we'll leave some new tracks in this mud. So we've made it onto the rock bank. Just going to walk this down that way. And if I see anything, I'll let you know. I'm on the lookout for fossils, cool crystals or geodes, maybe bits of clay if I can find it. I'd like to harvest some nice clay to make some primitive pots or cups down the road. So yeah, we're just going to look and see what we can see. If you spot something, let me know. Here's a cool piece, show you guys. Just a big chunk of fossil, really. You can see all the bits of shell, crinoid, all sorts of stuff in there. Here's a big old piece of what looks like quartz. Or part of a, I don't know, part of a big geode that's broken up. Let's get in the water. Yeah, that is, come on, focus. That is just one big chunk of quartz crystal right there. That is pretty cool. This is a cool little piece. Just, oh, cool. Let's get that wet. Pretty. What's that? Huh. Let me get in here and see what this is. Some sort of stone with a yellow marking on it. What is that? Huh. I don't have no idea. That's natural stone. Weird. Have to look at that later. Cool. I have a hard time believing that any sort of old pottery would still have that bright of yellow on it. Or that would have yellow on it at all, so I'm a little skeptical. Get some focus. There we go. I don't know, what do you think? I thought at one point it might be part of a tire, but it is not tire. It does scrape off in my hands there. You can see a little bit of black on my thumb. Oh! Your guess is as good as mine. Tell me what you think. That's a cool piece. Cool. Looks like an old Coke bottle. Coke bottle and a crinoid right here. Yep, it's an old Coke bottle. I wonder how old that is. No way of knowing. Look how thick the glass is though. Wow. Interesting crystal bit right here. How cool is that? Let's go and pop that out and see what it looks like. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Sparkly. Try and get it in focus. There we go. Let's clean it up. Wow. Why won't you focus? That's cool. Alright, fun. Not too far away from that piece is this other piece. There we go. Also a cool crystal. It's days like this, I could just be out here all day. I just lose total track of time. Walk this whole creek. It's getting a little scrubby right here, so we're gonna go up here actually. I hope I can convey that sense of peace and just fun that it is to come out here and, oh, it's like a coyote track. There. It's been a few days. But yeah, just how nice it is to be out here. Peace and quiet. Just heading upstream now. A couple more gravel bars I want to check, and then I'll do a little bit of a trail. The sun is so warm, it's nice. Hands are cold, but everywhere the sun hits is nice and warm. Back of my neck is really warm. Feels good. So I took the trail for just a short way, and I was able to kind of cut through the woods a little bit. And behind me is the big creek we were on, and I found a little tributary here. I'm going to go ahead and walk up and explore. I don't think anybody's been on this thing anytime soon, so it'll be interesting to see what we see. And I'll show you that right now. We're going to walk this up a little ways, and then we'll try and hook up to the trail. But I've got the creek stomping blood going in my veins today, I guess. I don't know. Can't get away from it. It's just too peaceful. So let's see what we can track down. So here's the little tributary, and I didn't take more than 3 or 4 steps. And where'd it go? Oh no, I've lost it. Let's see if I can find it again. It was right there, man. Oh, there it is. So as you know, this will be my second one for the year. How cool is this? I'll take it. Ta-da! And even cooler, I just saw this. Look at this. Oh, wow. How cool is that? All just crinoid stems and just bits of fossils. I'm really happy with that. That looks really cool. Well, this promises to be an interesting little creek. Fun. Well, it must be my lucky day. Number 3 for the year. Ha. Happened to notice it when I stopped to look at this fella. Oh no, I dropped it. No, I didn't. Also a cool piece, but that's fun. 2 in 1 day. Sweet. Wonder if I can make it 3. So I can see something up here, up ahead. Can't wait to show you guys. This will be fun. But first, we gotta do a little bit of finagling. Get around some deep water. Not too bad. Let me show you what I'm seeing. So right up ahead there, that is nothing but rock deposits. Big, huge mound of rock deposits that we're going to go poke around on. Which I'm kind of running out of time, so I'll move up here quickly. And look at this. That'll be fun. So let's cut through here. Let's go back here. That's all thorns there. And we'll walk around. Oof. What are we going to do? We're going to go underneath this. I think. Yeah. And then up and over. Look at this. Well, I'm going to start poking around in this. I've got a little bit of time left. And if I find anything cool, I'll let you know. Ha! What do you think? Does it go through? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, that it does. That counts. Cool. What's going on, guys? 3 in 1 day. Oh, no. Come back. There we go. So there's just a ton of fun stuff in here. But I think this is another, you see that weird form there? think that's another block of those crinoids. So let's pull that out. And just... Oh, are you kidding me? That's hilarious. Is that? I think that goes through. Hold on. Here, look at the water for a minute. Yeah, it goes through. It's just blocked. Maybe a stick. I'll leave this roll in here. We'll just put it right there. I'll grab this stick right here. Look at that. How cool is that? Right there. Huh. It's not much, but it's fun for me, so hopefully it's fun for you guys. 4 in one day that I keep dropping. Cool. You gotta love it. Now back to the original query. That looks like it's just a piece of limestone with a fossil in it. A little crinoid there. Wow, that was so cool. Just hidden underneath that rock. What's up with that? I love it. Okay, gang, I've been clambering around on these rocks for a little bit now. And there's just tons of little tiny fossils and little bits here and there. But I'm out of time. I'm going to have to get back to the car. I'm about a half a mile to almost a mile to back to the car. I got to get back to my car. I got to get home. So I've got to stop it here. We'll come back. We'll come back to this creek and we'll walk it again, and we'll even take it further up because I think it goes up there for some time. It looks like it might even go into a valley back up in here. So I know where this is now. So we'll save this for another video. Thanks for coming along. I hope you guys had a good time. I'm really sorry to have to end it early, but thanks for coming and helping me find holes in rocks. Hope you had a good time. Hope you enjoyed it. Got you out in the woods with me a little bit, and we both got some dirt time. Like always, get outside if you can. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.